Let's fry some fish together. So I've already washed my fish and also cut them into my desired sizes. Okay. So we are just going to add few seasonings to it and then we fry this. First, I'm using ginger, garlic, and onion powder. Yes, I'm using that. You can grind them or you can either use the fresh ones. All right. Now I'm going ahead to add some fish seasoning. Whenever you are frying your fish, you do well to add a lot of seasoning. Okay. I added some thyme and then salt. I added all of these seasonings and I went ahead to add some powdered pepper. I want some extra heat in there. I don't want it just to be raw. I just want it a little bit spicy. I added some vegetable oil and I'm going to use my hands to coat this and put it in every corner of the fish so that it gets marinated very, very well. You see, when you want to fry your fish, yes, you can just use salt and then go ahead to fry. But when you add a bit of all of these seasonings, it makes a difference. Okay, it's not going to be the regular fried fish you buy from the roadside or anywhere. Okay, it will just give you this nice and good taste. So I kept it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So everything will just sink into the fish. Okay, I want the fish to absorb all the good things that I added to it. Okay, so after 30 minutes, this is how it looks, and then I tell you, it tastes so great. If you tap on this and you taste, everything just makes sense. Okay, I put some flour and then the flour is just to coat it a little. I want it to have this fluffy um out knife on the outside. Okay, I want it to be a bit fluffy on the outside. My oil is already heated, and what I'm doing is to put my fishes into the oil bit by bit. Okay, a reasonable amount that I feel my fish can contain, so my oil can contain. So that is exactly what I'm doing, and I'll fry these until I achieve a golden brown color. Yes, I'll achieve a golden brown color, and this is what I went in for. This fish tastes so great, and if you want it to dry, fry it to be dry. If you want it a bit moist, make sure you don't fry too much to get dried. Okay. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and then I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.